Yep.
Oh, the baby ducky coming, Mama.
Eat it.
Take your slides off on the pallet, Mom.
Eat it. Take your shoes off.
Here, go throw a penny in the water. Take
Take
your socks off too. Say, I give this to my ancestors. Okay. This is all I have right now to share. Israel, take your socks off. They gonna get wet. All the dirt is wet.
I wanna take my socks off. Mom, why that ducky staring at Egypt? It was staring at Egypt like, can you shut up? Catch all the quarter, Mama. Look, it's not in her hand no more.
You do that?
Or I probably threw it on the floor, act like her did.
Ugh, seen that dookie booty? Eating popcorn and sun chips. Nothing is really healthy for real, but it's better than anything else. Israel, get out of there. Go over there by this sand right here. Egypt, go over that by this one. Get up off the water, Israel. Go over there by the sand, because if she slip and fall in there, it might be they said on the signs it said very deep drops. So you can walk and then it could be a big old hole and you just fall straight under. So be careful. Go over there by bruh. Just put your feet at the small part. Don't walk too far in. We had a very beautiful lake. It is by far so peaceful. We are probably the only ones here. There's other people probably on their boats and stuff like that, but it just feels so beautiful out here. Like, it was, as soon as I got down here, I found my spot. I usually sit up under a tree, but today I said I'll just soak the sun up. On top of that, y'all, it is just so beautiful. I sent the offering off to Yemaya, which is my spiritual mother. Sent her a gift off with a letter.
I got your deposit.
You do?
Mm-hmm.
Wow. How about you get a bag and collect them? How about we get something and collect them?
Yeah. Do you use this?
We're gonna use a water bottle. Or you can use this right here, this bag.
Yeah.
Or a water bottle. Because the water bottle, you can fill them all up and we can rinse them off in a water bottle, then pour them out and put them in somewhere at the house.
Yeah.
Finish, drink the rest of your water. There's another one in here, so you'll be all right. You don't want to just pour it out. Egypt, here, Israel. Put these in there first. I already started them off, but these are beautiful. Don't go too far in there, and please don't leave your sister over there again by herself. Please, okay? Y'all, these little popcorn chips right here, they called hers hot popcorn. These are super good. It's like a sweet / hot. Y'all, so when I was sending off my offering, right, I was walking in the water. Something told me to walk on the other side, but I walk down the way I want to. It's like a little part where you can go in, do what you need to do. And I slipped. It wasn't deep or nothing. I just slipped on, you know, the rocks be real slippery. I slipped and fell. Fell back. I didn't hurt myself, so that was a very good sign. See, if I would have hurt myself, then I would have been like, damn, something ain't right. But I didn't hurt myself. I just fell. Maybe it was meant for my butt and my root and my sacral chakra to hit the waters, I guess. So that's exactly what I did. I got right up. I wasn't really dirty. I'm still a little wet, but I'm not mad about it. I'm actually relieved. It feels so pure and peaceful out here, y'all. Like I say, I love nature, and they got an actual little playground. Usually a lot of lakes and stuff don't really have playgrounds right off the water shore, but fortunately they do. So they was able to give me some peace by myself, just to walk through the coast with my sage and let off my offering. You know, just to give my ancestors thanks for all that's going on in my life, all that's coming. I'm appreciative of everything. We didn't bring no food or anything. Probably I brought my daughter grapes. I don't really care for these grapes, but I eat them. Oh, they're good. Usually she be picking out some sour grapes. Them actually got a sweetness to it. See, she pick out her own stuff. And I think these are the ones I picked out. So this is what I'm doing, y'all. Kind of take my singing bowl and I've been using it pretty much for every time I really I just get the vibe to play it. So something in my soul will be like, it's time to play it, and I'll play it. This is so peaceful, y'all. We gonna be here for a while. Like, like I'm gonna be here for probably a few hours. Just soaking up as much sun as I possibly can. Y'all know I keep my crystals on me. Yeah, I really love myself. Like, I enjoy myself. I enjoy everything about me. My silence, my quietness, my loudness. I started, before I do any peace offering or before I do anything, I always greet the nature, which is the birds and stuff like that. I always greet them and give them bread and feed them first, because after all, this is their number one home. So that's like, you walk to you don't have to, but this is how I view it. Come over to somebody's house and you just walk in, you gotta knock or at least offer gifts or, things like that. And that's what I did. Gave them some bread. I think I got some more, just a little bit on the way out. I'm gonna give them some more before we leave. First it was like a few, then the whole family just pulled up on me, especially once I did the singing bowl. They enjoyed it.
Mommy, I found seashells.
You did?
Yeah.
See? Get up out of there. Did I hurt my arm when I fell right here? Because something right here kind of hurt.
Look, Mommy. See?
Mm-hmm.
It's cool.
Like a lot of...
Oh my God. Bundlebee, 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 bee.
Boy, what you screaming for?
Bee, bee. That's what they told us about the bumblebees. Yeah, Mommy, it's too many.
You got a bug on your arm. Oh, them leaves. When we leave, I think I want to get some of that water and put it in a bottle.
Why?
And just take it home and study it.
Here, Mommy.
Sit them over there.
Mommy, where's my water? I can put it on my hand.
One more. Here. Oh, wait. No. Let me put some in here first. Because you about to waste it. Look at her. Always want to mess with the duckies. She love them duckies, don't she?
My wife they're walking to it at the park. But they're not walking to it, they walking.
Here.
I wash my hands.
Try not to use all of it. That's the last thing of water. And don't do it so close to the palate.
I got so much. Yeah.
See that butterfly just floating off me? Just came out of nowhere.
Yeah, that's a fairy.
I was just on my camera, and then it just came down and just whoop, went straight in my face. This is me enjoying nature. Just took y'all on a quick little trip with me. Appreciate it, because you may not be able to come with me all the time. But however, I hope you enjoy it. And remember, I love you. I love you because I love myself, and I can only share what I have within, but I can't give you all of me. Mwah. One thing about me, I'ma enjoy my nature, baby.